Honey lime chicken is one of our favorite chickens to make, to either make tacos or nachos or quesadillas or enchiladas. It is such a versatile chicken to make in your Instant Pot, and because we're using our Instant Pot, it is super fast. Let me show you how to make it. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. Today we are making one of my favorite chicken dishes, I guess, chicken staples. Staples is the right word. In my Instant Pot. It is honey lime chicken. You can use this for tacos. You can use it for quesadillas, nachos, enchiladas. You can use it on a salad. You can do so many things with this base chicken recipe, and it is so easy. And as you can see here, there's really not that many ingredients. It comes together in like 20 minutes flat, even using frozen chicken, which is amazing. So let's get to it. What we have here are just some seasonings. We've got garlic, we've got chili powder, we've got salt, we've got pepper. This is honey. We've got 2 limes and some salsa verde. To start out, we're just going to juice our 2 limes into the honey and then add in our seasonings and whisk it all together nicely. Let me grab a knife. All right. We'll just cut and juice these limes. Into here. One down. All right, last one here. Okay, set that aside, and we're going to put our seasonings in. And perfect timing to remind you that in the description below is a link to my website that has a printable version of this recipe with all of the exact ingredient amounts and instructions that's easy to read for you there. So let's whisk this together. All right, we're ready for the Instant Pot here. I'm going to put about 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders into my Instant Pot. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's about half of this bag. And I'm using frozen chicken tenderloins. You can use fresh if you'd like. The only difference is a slight difference in the cook time. If you're using fresh, you will be cooking for 3 minutes, high pressure with a 6-minute natural pressure release. If you're using frozen like I am, it'll be 6 minutes high pressure with a 6-minute natural pressure release. And if you have chicken breasts, I would just suggest cutting them into strips that are about this size, about tender size, and then cooking for the same amount of time as you would with fresh tenders. All right, one more. Perfect. I'm gonna put this away, wash my hands, and I'll be back. Now that the chicken is in the Instant Pot, I'm just going to pour our honey and lime mixture over the chicken. And then open up our salsa verde here and measure out 1/2 cup, and then put that on top of the chicken as well. So there's our 1/2 cup right there. And this is going on top of the chicken. Okay, that's it there. Let's put our lid on our Instant Pot and set it to pressure cook for the right amount of time. So mine's frozen, so we're going to hit manual or pressure cook and adjust the time using the plus and minus buttons until 6 minutes. Make sure that knob on top is set to sealing, and now you just let your Instant Pot do its thing. With using frozen chicken, you're probably looking about 20-25 minutes from now until you're ready to release that pressure. While we're waiting for the Instant Pot to come to pressure and cook our chicken, do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. and like this video and comment below and let me know how you plan on using this chicken in your kitchen, because it honestly is so good any way you eat it. The Instant Pot has cooked. It's naturally released its pressure for 6 minutes. I released the rest of the pressure, turned it off here. So now let's take our lid off. Oh, it smells good. So at this point, what we're going to do is just remove the chicken to shred, and I'm going to turn the Instant Pot onto saute high, and we're just going to simmer the sauce until it thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, and so it's nice and flavorful, and so we can mix our shredded chicken in with that sauce. So let's pull out our chicken to shred. To turn your Instant Pot on to saute, we're just going to press the saute button, and then each Instant Pot adjusts a little bit differently. I have an adjust button, but if yours doesn't, you'll just keep pressing that saute button until it adjusts for you. So mine actually says saute more, which is like the high setting, but some Instant Pots do say low, medium, and high. So just whatever the high end setting is, that's when you want. I'm just going to shred this chicken here while we get this simmering and thickening. While the sauce is thickening, it's the perfect time to get however you're going to serve this chicken ready, whether that's nachos or if you're going to put it, into tacos and you need to get all of your toppings ready. That's the perfect time to get everything ready, is just while this sauce is thickening. This chicken is so easy to shred. It's basically shredding itself. I couldn't even get half the pieces out of the Instant Pot without them breaking, which is one of the reasons why I love cooking chicken in the Instant Pot, especially with the chicken tenders, because they just come out so perfect every single time. I have a full video talking about why I use chicken tenders instead of chicken breasts on my channel. It's called How to Cook Chicken Tenders in Your Instant Pot. I go into lots of detail about that if you're curious why I never ever cook with chicken breasts. So we've been simmering here for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to press the cancel button, and it's thick enough that it coats the spoon now. It's reduced down quite a bit. So the sauce still isn't like thick by any means, but it, sticks to the back of your spoon, as you can see. I'm going to just use some hot pads and drizzle this over our chicken here, and then the chicken is ready to go for however you and your family want to enjoy it. So here you have one of our family's favorite staple chickens that we use all the time, this recipe. So next time you need to mix up your menu for the week, turn to this recipe. Your family is going to love it. I love lime. Lime, everything is so good. Can I have another piece? Make it. It's real good.